Today's dish is extraordinary. It's super delicious and super simple. Everyone can make it. And the only seasoning is salt. Let's clean it first. Add some flour and some water. And rub it repeatedly. The flour particles have good absorption, which can remove the floating dust and grease in the pork, and most of the blood, making the pork cleaner and better color. But it will not destroy the fiber and flavor of the pork itself. Improve the texture of the pork. Rinse with water again. And set aside. Today's ingredients are pork belly, and the only seasoning salt. Put pork belly in a pan. Add water to half the depth of the pork. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. This ratio of salt and water ensures that the taste will be just right after the water dries. Cover the pan. Boil over high heat. After the water boils, turn to low heat and simmer. Fresh pork is deeply cleaned with flour. No need to blanch it. After simmering for 10 minutes, open the lid and turn it over. Cover the pan and simmer for another 10 minutes. The water gradually evaporates, and the salt simultaneously penetrates. When the water in the pot is completely evaporated, the pork belly will be fully cooked, and the perfect taste of moderate saltiness. Flip it over. Fry over low heat. Fry until all sides are golden brown. It's done. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. The light salt-baked flavor with crispy outside and tender inside. It's really amazing. When you don't know what to eat, come and try this dish. Without too much seasoning, but it can hit your taste buds directly. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. A good life starts with eating well. See you next time.